Step into a realm of secrets and hidden treasures, where a humble cup of rosemary tea possesses the ability to revolutionize your life. Have you ever pondered the enigmatic benefits of rosemary tea? Well, today is your day of revelation as we delve into the depths of research data unveiling the extraordinary potential of this mystical elixir. But here's the twist: can rosemary tea genuinely enhance memory and cognition? Is it the gateway to a healthier version of yourself? Stay tuned as we unravel the truth that will captivate you until the very last moment. A quick reminder: the information conveyed in this video is solely for educational purposes and is not a substitute for professional medical advice. Now, let's embark on an exploration of the remarkable array of health benefits that rosemary tea bestows upon us. Number 1. Supports brain function. The first notable benefit of rosemary tea lies in its support for brain function. This herbal elixir, renowned for enhancing cognitive abilities, attributes its efficacy to key compounds. Rosmarinic acid, recognized for its neuroprotective effects, plays a crucial role in reducing brain inflammation, a vital aspect of maintaining cognitive health. Coic acid, another compound found in rosemary, emerges as a pivotal defender against damage inflicted by free radicals, thereby preventing age-related cognitive decline. Additionally, research highlights the contribution of oxalic acid in rosemary, promoting the growth of brain cells and fostering neural health. Notably, a study suggests that the aroma of rosemary itself can enhance concentration and memory performance. Backed by scientific research, these insights underscore rosemary tea as a simple yet effective step towards improving brain health. Number 2. Androgenic Alopecia. In addressing androgenic alopecia, commonly referred to as male or female pattern baldness, rosemary tea emerges as a noteworthy contender. The efficacy of this natural remedy is attributed to active compounds, with rosmarinic acid taking the lead. Renowned for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, it holds the potential to mitigate scalp inflammation, a contributing factor to hair loss. Additionally, oxalic acid in rosemary tea may contribute to stimulating hair growth by improving scalp circulation. Another crucial component, coic acid, is suggested to safeguard against hair loss by targeting mechanisms that weaken hair follicles. While rosemary tea presents promise, it's essential to note that it's not a standalone cure. Incorporating it into a balanced diet and a healthy lifestyle may amplify its effectiveness in combating hair loss. Number 3. Supports people with low blood pressure. Rosemary, a fragrant herb renowned for seasoning dishes, unveils a new dimension when transformed into tea, particularly beneficial for those grappling with low blood pressure. Its primary active compounds, including rosmarinic acid, caffeic acid, and oxalic acid, play pivotal roles. Rosmarinic acid contributes to stabilizing blood pressure levels, while caffeic acid enhances circulatory health by promoting blood flow. Oxalic acid, recognized for its anti-inflammatory properties, indirectly supports cardiovascular health. These compounds collaboratively work to gently elevate blood pressure in individuals with hypertension. While rosemary tea presents a natural option, it is prudent to consult with a healthcare professional, especially when dealing with blood pressure concerns. Nature often provides simple solutions to our health needs. Number 4. Eye health. Rosemary tea unfolds as a treasure trove of beneficial compounds, offering robust support for ocular health. Carnosic acid, celebrated for its antioxidant properties, exhibits potential in safeguarding against macular degeneration, a prevalent cause of vision loss. The substantial contribution of rosmarinic acid, with its anti-inflammatory and antioxidative effects, plays a pivotal role in combating stress-induced damage to the eyes. Furthermore, flavonoids in rosemary, such as hesperidin, garner recognition for their protective role in ocular health, diminishing the risk of cataracts. Each sip of rosemary tea becomes a proactive step in safeguarding vision, amalgamating the goodness of nature with scientific endorsement. It is essential to remember that a balanced diet and regular checkups are integral to preserving ocular health. Number 5 supports opioid withdrawal syndrome. Rosemary tea unveils a potential role in easing opioid withdrawal syndrome, with key compounds such as rosmarinic acid, coic acid, and aoic acid taking center stage. The anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties of rosmarinic acid may contribute to alleviating withdrawal symptoms by mitigating stress and inflammation in the body. Coic acid, another robust antioxidant, could aid in neuroprotection, an essential aspect during the challenging detox process. Recent studies shed light on these benefits, suggesting a supportive role for rosemary tea in the management of opioid withdrawal. This holistic approach, backed by scientific research, presents a complementary method for individuals navigating the path to recovery. It's crucial to note that while these findings are promising, they form part of a broader treatment strategy and should be discussed with healthcare professionals. Number 6 aids recovery in patients with pulmonary edema stroke. Rosemary tea may provide supportive benefits for individuals recovering from a pulmonary edema stroke. Key compounds in rosemary, including rosmarinic acid and carnosic acid, have undergone study for their potential health benefits. The anti-inflammatory properties of rosmarinic acid may aid in reducing lung swelling, while coic acid, known for its antioxidant effects, could assist in mitigating oxidative stress, a significant factor in stroke recovery. It's important to recognize that while rosemary tea possesses these beneficial compounds, it should be employed as a complementary approach alongside prescribed medical treatments. This holistic strategy, incorporating the advantages of rosemary tea, aligns with ongoing medical interventions for a comprehensive approach to recovery. Number 7 slows down cancer cell growth. The impact of rosemary tea on cancer is intriguing, as it houses potent compounds with anti-cancer properties. Notably, coic acid emerges as a key player, recognized for impeding the growth of cancer cells, particularly in breast and prostate cancers. Another active component, rosmarinic acid, significantly contributes to its anti-cancer potential, equipped with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant qualities. Eolic acid, found in the waxy coating of rosemary leaves, plays a critical role in reducing the spread of skin and colon cancer. While rosemary tea isn't a panacea, its incorporation into a balanced lifestyle could offer supportive benefits in cancer prevention strategies. It's imperative to consult healthcare professionals when contemplating natural remedies as part of a comprehensive cancer treatment plan. Number 8 boosts weight loss. In the realm of natural weight loss aids, rosemary tea stands as a lesser-known yet potent option. This herbal beverage harbors active components, including carnosic acid and rosmarinic acid, associated with metabolic benefits. Coic acid contributes to reducing weight gain and improving lipid profiles, while rosmarinic acid aids in mitigating obesity-related inflammation. While these findings are promising, it's essential to note that rosemary tea is not a magic solution. Instead, incorporating it into a balanced diet and exercise regimen could enhance your weight loss journey. Number 9 improves digestion. Rosemary, with compounds like rosmarinic acid and essential oils such as cineol and CR, possesses anti-inflammatory and antispasmodic properties, alleviating digestive discomfort. Research emphasizes rosmarinic acid's role in reducing indigestion and soothing the gut, while the essential oils in rosemary stimulate bile production, aiding in the digestion of fats. Sipping on rosemary tea goes beyond providing warmth. It entails a blend of active ingredients working harmoniously to ensure smoother digestion. This herbal infusion becomes a comforting elixir, addressing digestive concerns and contributing to overall gastrointestinal well-being. Number 10 aids erectile dysfunction. Erectile dysfunction, ED, is a complex condition influenced by various factors, and rosemary tea is discussed for its potential benefits. Research indicates that rosemary contains compounds with potential to alleviate ED symptoms. Its antioxidant properties combat oxidative stress, reducing damage in blood vessels and enhancing circulation, potentially improving erectile function. Rosmarinic acid in rosemary has anti-inflammatory effects, crucial for maintaining an erection. Moreover, rosemary's impact on mood and stress may indirectly support erectile health. While rosemary tea isn't a cure-all for ED, its compounds offer potential benefits. It should be approached as a complementary therapy rather than a standalone solution. Number 11 helps relieve menstrual cramps. Recent studies highlight rosemary tea's benefits in relieving menstrual cramps. Rosmarinic acid, with its anti-inflammatory properties, reduces uterine contractions and pain. Koic acid acts as an analgesic, alleviating pain, while antioxidants like rosmanol combat oxidative stress, known to exacerbate cramps. Sipping on rosemary tea goes beyond a soothing ritual. Each cup delivers a blend of compounds working synergistically to ease discomfort during menstrual cramps. Embarking on the creation of rosemary tea is a simple and soothing endeavor. Here's a step-by-step guide for preparing this aromatic beverage at home. 1. Gather fresh or dried rosemary. For 1 cup of tea, procure approximately 1 teaspoon of dried rosemary or 1 tablespoon of fresh rosemary. Fresh rosemary tends to impart a more vibrant flavor to the tea. 2. Boil water. Heat water until it reaches a boiling point. For an enhanced taste, opt for filtered water. 3. Steep the rosemary. Place the rosemary in a tea infuser or directly in the cup. Pour the boiling water over it. If using a cup, consider straining the leaves afterward. Allow the rosemary to steep for 5 to 10 minutes. The longer the steeping, the stronger the flavor. Remove the rosemary when ready. 4. Serving. If a tea infuser was used, remove it from the cup. If the rosemary was added directly, strain out the leaves. Optionally, add honey or lemon for extra flavor. However, the tea is delightful on its own. 5. Enjoy your homemade rosemary tea. This aromatic beverage is perfect for relaxing moments, offering a delightful experience. Understanding the optimal time and dosage for drinking rosemary tea is essential to maximize its health benefits. General guidelines include consuming the tea in the morning or early afternoon for an invigorating experience due to its stimulating properties. It serves as an excellent caffeine-free alternative to coffee or regular tea. Drinking rosemary tea before or during meals can aid in digestion and promote gut health. A typical dosage ranges from 1 to 2 cups per day, ensuring sufficient intake to enjoy the health benefits it offers. Adjustments can be made based on individual preferences and health goals, providing a versatile and delightful addition to one's routine. It's crucial to recognize that individual responses can vary, making it wise to tailor these general suggestions according to your body's signals. Should you be sensitive to certain effects, always listen to your body and make adjustments accordingly. Consulting with a healthcare professional becomes paramount, particularly if specific health conditions or concerns are in play. Moderation is key when savoring the aromatic rewards of rosemary tea. Its numerous health benefits are best harnessed when consumed in reasonable amounts. However, potential side effects need consideration, especially in cases of excessive consumption or for certain individuals. So, what are the potential side effects that you might face while drinking rosemary? While rosemary tea offers an array of health benefits, it's vital to be aware of potential side effects. Excessive consumption may lead to digestive issues, including heartburn, stomach pain, or nausea. In rare cases, allergic reactions may occur, manifesting as swelling, itching, or difficulty breathing. Rosemary tea can also interact with medications such as blood thinners, diuretics, lithium, and ACE inhibitors, necessitating consultation with a healthcare provider for those on medications. Considerations for pregnancy. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should exercise caution, as high doses of rosemary may impact the uterus or hormone levels. Consulting with a healthcare professional is advisable in such situations. Seizure disorders. For individuals with seizure disorders, avoiding high doses of rosemary is recommended, given its potential impact on seizure control. Impact on sleep. For some individuals, the stimulating effect of rosemary tea might interfere with sleep, particularly if consumed late in the day. Therefore, moderation is key to ensuring a restful night. Most individuals can safely enjoy rosemary tea when consumed in typical culinary amounts. However, for those with specific health conditions or concerns, consulting with a healthcare professional is always the best course of action. The captivating journey into the realm of rosemary tea benefits invites you to integrate this herbal elixir into your daily routine. As you explore its soothing and aromatic rewards, remember to enjoy it in moderation and be attuned to your body's responses. Hit the like button if this exploration resonated with you, share the knowledge with fellow tea enthusiasts, and stay tuned for more exciting discoveries and wellness tips by subscribing and ringing the bell. The question lingers: how will you incorporate rosemary tea into your daily routine? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious, stay healthy, and continue sipping the magic of rosemary tea. Cheers to your well-being.